If you have a lot of blackheads on your nose, this video is for you. This method is one of the best ways to remove blackheads.
Let's get started.
1 tablespoon of sugar. Sugar is a natural skin exfoliator.
1 spoonful of honey. Honey contains vitamin K and vitamin C, which are great for the skin. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Lemon juice contains antioxidants that are necessary for the skin. Best part: mix time. When the texture is this way, it is ready to use. Thank you for giving me energy by liking. This scrub is very easy to make, but it has very important points that I will tell you in the video. Apply the scrub with your finger or where you have blackheads. Now you have to massage until the scrub is completely absorbed by the skin. Like me, you can massage in a circle and linearly. It smells like spring and is really attractive. Please take care of your beautiful eyes. You can help us a lot with a simple click, so please like the video. Wait 10 minutes and then wash your face with cold water. Let's see how it feels after use. You can even see the results for the first time using. After using the scrub, my skin became softer and the pimples on my nose became much less. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. We are human with any race.